dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be tackling my living room. I've decided to do a room by room approach to doing my cleaning videos. I believe the last cleaning video I had dealt with my kitchen, so today we are going to be dealing with my living room. So I think my living room furniture placement looks a little odd right now. Now, if you have seen my previous cleaning videos, this is not the way that my living room is normally set up, but because Jacob is now toddling around and playing on the floor all the time, I really want to give him a lot of space in the living room. So that's why the coffee table is kind of in a random location, and also his playpen does not stay where it is right here. Normally it is where it was originally, but I am cleaning, so that's why it's kind of crammed in the corner. And if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Crystal. I just want to take a few seconds to introduce myself. My channel is mainly all mom life with a little bit of cleaning motivation and a few shop with me videos thrown in. I have really been getting into making weekly vlogs as well as shop with me videos. I used to do a lot more cleaning motivation, but I kind of fell away from doing that. So if you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you do so, and yeah, please go ahead and join me on my YouTube journey. So after finishing up vacuuming, I'm going to go ahead and use my Pledge, which is very much close to the end of the bottle, and I'm going to go ahead and do some dusting of my dresser as well as the coffee table and the end tables. I have not dusted in quite a while, so yeah, this is definitely needed. And I don't know about you guys, but my battery powered clocks always end up dying, and I try and change the batteries as often as I can, yet they just end up not being able to keep the time. Do y'all have the same issue as I do with that? So now the clock really is just for decoration, has no function. Now, as you can see right here, my end table is pushed all the way up against the wall, and that is because when Jacob is using his little race car walker, he would always ram into this table. I think he really did it just for fun. And now that he no longer uses that race car walker, I can go ahead and move the table back to its original spot. I'm very sad that he doesn't use the walker anymore, but I'm also really excited that he is walking now. And with that, I just realized that when I put up my I love you more than pumpkin everything sign, it doesn't have a wall to lean on, so I'm worried that it's gonna fall over. So I think what I'm gonna do is put a 3M strip underneath it so that I can keep it from falling over. And now we're moving on over to my husband's side of the table, and I am a little upset because I just realized that my husband was not using coasters, and there is a water bubble in our side table now. And I don't know about y'all, but that really annoys me. I hate when water gets into the wood finish, especially because these tables are so new. Now I'm going to go ahead and move underneath the TV and into the entertainment console. I'm going to go ahead and dust where I have some of my fall decor. That was Oreo sticking her head in it trying to be nosy. And I'm also going to dust underneath my TV. If you guys can see, I'm pretty sure y'all can see easily, the sound bar is completely covered in dust, but I am so happy that wiping it down with that rag really took care of it. It looked really bad. It was kind of embarrassing. So I'm curious to know what you guys like to watch in the month of October. I know obviously it is Halloween season and a lot of people are watching scarier shows, but I personally love anything scary. I really love paranormal reality shows like Ghost Hunters, Paranormal Witness, haunted hospitals, that kind of thing. So let me know in the comments below if you guys are interested in that. Now we are moving on to this leather protector cleaner that I need to apply to my sofa. I'm supposed to do this, I believe the instructions say every 90 days, but honestly, I don't remember the last time I did it. It could have been last month, it could have been 3 months ago, I'm really not too sure. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply this right now. And I do need to remember that I cannot sit on the furniture for at least 30 minutes once it's applied, but I do notice later on that Oreo just jumps right up and starts trying to play on it, so I do have to shoo her off the couch quite often. But yes, I am trying to get into a routine of doing this at least every other month. So once I'm finished taking care of the couches, I'm going to move ahead and Swiffer. Now I was curious, do you guys prefer using a Swiffer type mop, or do you prefer a mop and bucket cleaning situation, or perhaps, what is it called? The steam vacs, or yeah, the steam vacs. Do you guys prefer that? What do you guys use preferably to clean your floors? And if you guys are still here watching, please go ahead and leave a leaf emoji in the comments down below. Now that I am done with the floors, I'm going to go ahead and use my Swiffer dusters to tackle the blinds. And as you guys can see here in the window, there's a very large thing blocking the window, and that is the hood of my husband's Camaro. I'm gonna ask him if he can move it because I really don't like the way it looks in the window. And also at night when I'm coming into the living room with the windows open, it looks pretty creepy. It kind of looks like someone is standing looking into the window. And the last thing I need to tackle is Febrezing the dog's beds, but that is it. Once I'm finished with that, this video is over. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this video gave you guys some good cleaning motivation and you cleaned along with me. If you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please join me on my YouTube journey. I will see you guys back in a couple of days in another video. Bye!